Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are doing great and you are learning English with great hope. Today topic is very important. Today topic is how when will speaking English become easy. Yes, many co-learners and many beginners think this thing. If you think this type of scenario on daily basis, to this video for you, I will tell you very simple truth behind this think. So stay tuned till the end. You will get a lot of simple way to become your English easy. So first thing is that English will become easy a week, not even a month. It will take a time. Yes, you are right. Like you learn how to ride bicycle. You learn how to use mobile phone. You learn how to learn something new. So good things requires dedication, passion, and times. So first thing, English find it difficult, but if you are consistent and if you are ready to devote some time, so English slowly becomes easy for you. Second thing is that English will become easy when your fear goes away. Yes, if you think I make mistake and I am not good at English and people may laugh at me if I make any mistake, if I use any grammar, so your English will not be your English not be improved. So the fear is a part of learning journey. So making mistake is a part of your learning. So just focus on your practice part. Yes, your English will be improved. Third thing is that your English will become easy when you practice daily. Yes, when you practice daily, your English will be improved. You don't need more minute. You don't need hours and days. You just spend 10 and 15 minutes for speaking. Try to speak only simple sentence. Try to speak what you see, what you observe, what you did, what you have done, and what will you do in future. Just to describe this thing in your own word, and don't speak a long sentence. Don't try to speak a long word, a long sentence, long structure, which is not relevant to your speaking part as a beginner. And fourth thing is that English will become easy when you stop the translating. Yes, most of the learners think in their native language, then translate them into English. It will take a time. It's a make speaking slow and hard, and your mind start thinking complicated sentence when you start thinking in English and when you take help of translating. So stop translating, start direct think in English, and you can start sentence like I am learning English. I wake up, I wash my face, I brush my teeth, and I change my clothes, and I go for a walk, and I am learning English, and I am reading, I am watching, and I am passionate about learning the English. This type of sentence you can use in your daily life. It's a feel more confidence. Simple sentence gives you confident. And five thing is that English will become easy when you stayed patient. Yes, Every good things require a lot of patience, and if you are ready to patient in during learning period, definitely your English will be improved, because English is a not a one night process. It take a time. English is a vast language. English is a global language, so it will take a time. So because you are not too habituated of this language, and you think say, my English will be improved only few days, only few months, few weeks. It is not possible, because your brain is not trained, you are not habituated of this language, you don't have any English environment, you don't have any co-learner, no one can guide you to learn English, no one can correct you to improve your English language, so you will have to lot of things by yourself. So you will, if you want to improve your English language, don't say you need to put your presence a lot while learning journey. And the final thing is that English will become easy you when you passionate about learning English. And if you are interested in learning English, and you are into in this language on daily basis, then definitely your English will be improved, and you will be able to speak well, no matter how much knowledge you have, no matter how much grammar knowledge you have, and if you maintain consistency on daily basis, and you are passionate about learning English, you are dedicated to learn English, and you are serious about learning English, and you want to be good at English, and you want to be eloquent speaker in this language, and you want to you want to be articulate speaker in this language, then so you will have to spend some time on daily basis to speak in English, no matter how much mistake you make while speaking. But keep one thing in your mind: start with a small sentence, maintain consistency, speak speaking practice on daily basis, describe yourself in our word. This type of activity help you a lot to improve your English language. This video find it helpful, so please like, subscribe, and share to my